11 minutes after 6 now, we continue our in-depth coverage on another crisis affecting the price of paradise, skyrocketing homeowners insurance premiums. State Senator Jeff Brandes says Florida is dealing with a total collapse of the market, and he says he's now officially received enough support for special session to deal with it.
ABC Action News in-depth reporter Stassi Olmos has been following this crisis. She's taken a deeper dive this morning into what's happening in our own backyards right now and why a change in legislation needs to pass.
I don't know how we went from $400 to a whole new roof. I don't know that.
When Valrico homeowner John Hansen received a notice from his insurance company regarding the age on his roof, he had a roofer come out for an estimate. He says the roofer found broken shingles in the back from a windstorm.
They advised me to put in a claim with my insurance company to get that part of the roof replaced. The insurance company originally rejected it, saying that they would fix just the broken shingles.
That would have been a $400 payout, but because his deductible was $2,500, he wasn't going to get anything.
When I informed the roofing company of that, they asked if they could bring in a consumer advocate to help. After some back and forth, the insurance company agreed to replace the entire roof.
That came out upwards of $20 grand.
When they said the whole roof, I thought that was maybe a little excessive, but I wasn't going to argue with them.
Under state law, insurance companies don't have much of an option. If more than 25% of a roof is damaged, they have to replace the whole thing, known as replacement cost value.
At this point in time, it's become about as crazy as I've ever seen it.
Tampa Bay legacy roofer Doug Shields says scammers are taking advantage.
The attorneys get involved. The attorney's got a law that states if they recover $1 of storm damage, their attorney fees are covered.
These litigation costs have put 7 Florida insurance companies in liquidation, with several others pulling out of the state. And for those remaining, their ratings are dropping rapidly.
I got 7 emails this morning from our service team of new non-renewals that our clients are going to be receiving due to the age or life expectancy of the roof.
Florida Strategic Insurance even started their own roofing company to try and help clients replace roofs before getting dropped.
Sadly, for the most part, a lot of the private carriers are trying to get off risks. One insurance company in particular that we write a lot of business with, and speaking with the CEO, was telling us that last year he averaged 26 lawsuits a day for roofs.
According to the Office of Insurance Regulation, more than 79,000 lawsuits were filed against insurance companies in 2020, with underwriting losses at more than $1 billion. Another study commissioned by the Senate Banking and Insurance Committee found that in 2019, 71% of money awarded went to roofer attorney fees, and 25 attorneys filed 33% of the lawsuits.
It's very difficult to compete with those guys.
For example, Shields says he quoted a customer for a $14,000 roof with no storm damage, but another roofer claimed storm damage in court and got $32,000 from the insurance company.
And that's just not fair.
Shields says their reputation keeps them busy, but it's also gotten him recruited by one of these contractors.
He said, you don't know how much you would make with your reputation. People would trust me so much more because of Shields Roofing. And I said, yeah, but I said, then I'm caught up in the game fraud. And I said fraud like 4 or 5 times in the thing, and he kind of laughed and he goes, I look at it like an opportunity.
Governor Ron DeSantis signed Senate Bill 76 to stop contractors from soliciting to repair roofs through insurance, but it's still happening. The Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation tells me the law hasn't been enforced because of 2 current lawsuits, one based on freedom of speech. Now, homeowners and property insurance companies are waiting, hoping that the legislature will meet for a special session to change that replacement cost value to actual cost value. In Tampa, I'm in-depth reporter Stassi Olmos, taking action for you.